Welcome to the ultimate U.S. citizenship step-by-step guide video. Before we start, this video is sponsored by www.2tv.store. Firstly, gather all required documents for the citizenship application. Next, complete the N400 form accurately, providing truthful information. After submission, you'll receive a biometrics appointment notification soon. Attend your biometrics appointment at a designated USCIS office. Prepare for the naturalization test by studying U.S. history and civics. Practice the English language speaking, reading, and writing tests regularly. Attend the interview where an officer will review your application. Receive a decision from USCIS on your application status soon. Take the oath of allegiance in a ceremonial environment proudly. Maintain your new identity with tips on embracing American culture.